I don't know why recently I've just been catching myself being just sad and just thinking about the worst case scenarios, and I know everybody does that. I've just been feeling sad, and then I've been thinking about everything that is happening in my life or is supposed to happen, and I'm bringing that energy into everything else, and I don't want to feel like that anymore. It's just sometimes you have to catch yourself when you're in that negative spiral. If you just focus on the negative, you'll just feel the repercussions of that. But if you take things lightly, see things for what they actually are, that's really important. For example, I read this essay. It says, we don't see things as they are, we see things as we are. Nothing has been more true. I also like journaling. I don't do it as much. It's just putting it out on paper. It's not figuring it out. It's not finding a solution. None of that. It's just putting everything out on paper. It just feels like I've cleansed myself a little bit. It's tedious and you really have to get in there and battle with your thoughts, but I think it's crucial. You should try it. For some reason, we're constantly planning an event here in this group. So currently, we're planning Saloni and Govin's anniversary party. We saw these glasses and they are so fun. I ordered this on Amazon. Me and Amazon, dangerous combination. I knew they had like multiple, but oh my god, this got me really excited. They also have these pearl ones which are interesting. So fun. I want to show you my breakfast. It's my current hyperfixation breakfast, and I need to give a disclaimer. I don't like overnight oats at all, but these overnight oats are everything. A quarter cup of oat milk, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This is the yogurt I use. 1 scoop of Millet, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but the dark chocolate protein powder. It's literally the best protein powder I've ever had. It's a yeast protein. It's just too good. Then I have frozen berries, and then we have seed mix. It also has chia seeds, by the way. Yeah, that's my breakfast. Hyperfixation.
Hey guys, how do you like my shades that look like Miss Berganza? Oh sorry, chashme. How do you like my chashme that are slightly crooked? दूर से cool लग रहे हैं guys, ऐसी बात नहीं है. I've reached home with my missus and आज हम राजमा चावल खा रहे हैं gang. Wow.
Serve me.
खिला देता हूँ तेरे को. आजो guys, राजमा चावल डालते हैं. These bowls we got from Banjara market. It's like a deep plate. It's not really a bowl. It's like a plate but deep. दीक्षा का ना आज मूड अच्छा नहीं है बेचारी, आज थोड़ी सैड है. मेरी दादी बोलती थी जे चंगा टाइम नहीं रहंदा ते माड़ा भी नहीं रहंदा. If good time don't last, neither do bad ones. See, you've learned something from this vlog. On that note, subscribe, hit the subscribe channel. I'm just hungry. I'm just over talking because I'm hungry. कल ना दीक्षा लेकर आई हाई प्रोटीन कड़ी चावल और उसमें था ग्रीक योगर्ट और एयर फ्राइड पकौड़े. कैन यू बिलीव इट, एयर फ्राइड पकौड़े. तो उससे मैं इंस्पायर होकर आज मैंने ग्रीक योगर्ट का वो बनवाया है, रायता.
गाइस, आज हम मेरे भाई और मेरी भाई की गर्लफ्रेंड की 10वीं सालगिरह सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं.
So, Govind Saloni, as you might know them, Gonu, उनकी anniversary है and अभी वो trip पे गए हुए हैं whatever, but they're coming back tomorrow and they ought to celebrate with us. I don't care if they're tired. I don't know if they want to celebrate with us, but they have to. We love celebrating things in our group. मेरी bottle हमेशा खाली होती है.
क्या कोई तो पीता पानी, हाइड्रेट.
मैं नहीं पी पाती हूँ बिकॉज तो खत्म कर देता है. Anyway, we're gonna decorate and I'm excited for your gift. मैं विष्णु को mostly gifts पहले दे रही हूँ बिकॉज हम उसके बर्थडे पे ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं and can't pack them up. He let him finish. Okay, wow, he just started. I have not been feeling great, guys, hence you haven't seen much of me. I actually started this vlog 2 days ago. I'm really going through something, but nothing can fix me more than organizing a party or a surprise situation. I live for that kind of stuff, so let's go. Also, this is such a girl problem, but to have to pack when you have to stay over at your boyfriend's house, like no matter how much you prepare, you always need more things, and he can just like walk into this house and live his life. Why the disparity? It's okay, that's my problem. So I'm wrapping up a surprise for Vishnu. All he wanted to do for his birthday was go away, not be in Gurgaon, and be with his friends and everyone. And as much as we tried, it's not possible. There's so many things that happen, and I managed to convince 2 more of our friends to come. It's Vishnu's best friend and his girlfriend, very dear friends of ours. We're decorating with them tonight, so I want to surprise him with this. So I've ordered this helium balloon. I'm gonna pack it in a big giant box with a picture of them. Vishnu's gonna be so happy. I'm gonna wrap this. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I have so much wrapping paper. Got a fucking paper cut. I wanted to write a card for Vishnu to explain this to him, and the card says birthday girl, and then I wrote oops. I did not even read it. I'll show you guys this. I don't know why I chose hearts, and the balloon is also a heart. I don't know, but excited. Okay, so this is done. Actually, this is Ujjwal. हमारा प्लान थोड़ा सा फ्लॉप हो गया है क्योंकि फोटो इज टू हैवी, so balloon को वे डाउन कर रही है वो. It's fine. It's still a gift. Waiting for Anushka and Jatin to be here so we can open it. This is the clean slate. Excited. There's like 2 packets full of decorations. My current favorite album is Norman fucking Rockwell by Lana Del Rey. It's such a vibe when it's raining outside, especially when you're showering. 10 on 10.
ਭਰਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸ See with my hands, magical hands. डोला देखिया डोले तो डर गया.
Okay, isn't that so small? ये 10 balloon आए हैं इसमें.
Chat, comment how nonchalant I am with.
Okay, this is not looking well because what's with the size of these balloons? विष्णु की एक crazy बात है, like वो कुछ भी delegate कर सकता है. मतलब उसके सामने balloon है and he's like मेरे को balloon दिए जा.
Delegate इसलिए कर रहा हूँ because you can't do the hard part, okay?
That is the hard part. I cannot do this. I'm so overstimulated. Guys, we have reinforcements.
गाइस तुमने वो वीडियोस देखी है जिसमें आगे खाना रखा होता है, एक कपल या फिर 2 फ्रेंड्स वगैरह रॉक पेपर सीजर करते हैं और फिर जो हारता है उसको भागना होता है पीछे से और जो जीतता है वो खाता है गड़गड़ करके. तो आई वांट टू बी द पर्सन हु जो गड़गड़ करके खाता है. इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया इफ दे लेट मी डू इट. बाय द वे ये मेरा गिफ्ट है. यस.
Okay. Oh, Vishnu!
ओके.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. इसको सच में लग रहा है.
मैंने तेरे को स्टाइल्स गिफ्ट दिए हैं, स्टाइल्स जो तू मुझे पत्थर दे रही है. शैंची वाली रिंग है.
Oh my god, he's really going through it.
शैंची वाली रिंग है.
Really? Okay, don't. उसमें से
गिफ्ट क्या है? गिफ्ट दे दो यार.
Read it. Read it.
Very annoying. But we love you like we you literally are a grandpa. Okay. Wow. Is it my birthday? Wow. Oh shit! Wow, guys, thank you so much. Best gift ever. Best gift ever. I appreciate you.
I didn't really
Wow,
take
my.
it.
मेरा आइडिया पता है क्या?
Crazy मुकुल last time.
इस डब्बे में हम होते हैं.
उधर वहाँ पे बैठे होते हैं.
Yes.
Maybe
I
passed
don't
out.
think Anushka made it.
Not enough oxygen.
Anushka would come out like that.
विष्णु हम जा रहे हैं.
That took
Thank you.
so long. Now we have. Why is there a bun? What is that? Shawarma था ना इसमें तो?
ये तेरा शोरमा है.
अरे वो कॉम्बो सा भी किया था ना एक.
Oh, fried.
Okay.
Fried everything. It smells. Then we have dal chawal. Karela रह गया मेरा. Baby run.
Karela entering the cool people party.
Karela is crazy. Karela is underrated. But this is it. This is Karela. We're tired. We're dying. वो उस पे हम पता है कितना टाइम स्पेंड कर चुके हैं. That's not good. नींद आ रही है. Hi, good morning. I am in my workout set. If I have to work out, the first thing I need to do in the morning is put my adorable workout set on. Otherwise, I'm not going to. Oh my god, look at my camera. I bedazzled it a little bit. On that note, we haven't done literally anything. हम बातें करने लग जाते हैं. It's actually all up there. I was really worried it's all gonna come down. Now I'm gonna have my breakfast because I'm hungry. They had boarded the last I spoke to them, and I think they're in air now. Oh my god, look at the decorations. Yeah, and it was so pretty. So pretty. So हमने घेवर मंगाया, हमने केक मंगाया, हम गोनू कॉकटेल्स बना रहे हैं which is a जामन margarita. Really done the most. वो लोग आने वाले हैं in 1 hour. And we are yet to paste some pictures because यहाँ पे खाली खाली है. Vishnu sat there rage baiting me and Anushka. And Jatin also. Really
not that hard, honestly.
they just exist to piss us off. So glasses आ गए. अब हम glasses bedazzle करेंगे. Let me show you.
Bedazzling is a great way for all of us, is what I've realized.
Because when I'm like into it, I don't bother him.
Yeah.
His logic.
Rage baiting 101. Please, do you want to talk about your rage baiting skills, Jatin?
I don't have any.
That was another great way.
What do you call someone who
Just तो
gets
खेलना
rage
चाहता है
baited very easily?
तू खेलना चाहता है कि नहीं?
Don't go.
Oh my
अभी मंगाई है 6 डाइट को.
वही है?
इसकी शक्ल देख. It was like a
He's
kid
a
with
diet
candy.
coke addict and he has absolutely ruined my life. मैंने दाल चावल के साथ डाइट कोक मांगा था guys उस दिन. That's when I stopped.
Need to check yourself into rehab.
Diet coke rehab. Oh my god, this is adorable.
सलोनी वीडियो बाद में बना लिया, धक्का मार रहा है. Entry first. क्या केक है भाई?
Oh my god!
We'll make it last.
मेरे को मेरा बर्थडे चाहिए ऐसा.
Okay.
Second cake.
My god. Monsoon special. Yes. That's for Govind. That's for me. मजे आ गए यार. मजे मेरे को मेरा बर्थडे ऐसा ही चाहिए. Same color palette, same everything. It's the people. 100%.